Okay, so this is a video lesson to how on how to set up the automated irrigation controller here. Okay, so this controller here, what you would do to is to set, the first thing to set is the clock. To set the clock, you will press the up and down button here to change the time. If it's 6:37, 6:38, 6:36, go backwards, you have to hold it in order for it to go faster towards the next time if you want to change it to AM, if it was AM. So right now it's 6:37 and should be 6:38. Okay, so what day it is Tuesday. You press OK, and now you're all set. So it has Tuesday, 6:38 p.m. Now the next thing, when I say set, you're ready to move to the next part. The next part is the time to start. This is the first time of the day that you want the water to start. I already have it set for 6 a.m. That's perfect right now for this time. Winter is totally different. And then you click OK. Change the times just the same way as you did the clock. Now you can choose a second time. I choose a second time right now because it's getting hotter and the sun is burning up here in New Orleans and the whole Jefferson Parish. So you click yes, then you want a second time. Here it'll ask you, and here you move yes or no, and then press OK. And you have this. You can change the time up and down as you accordingly. Now you press OK, and then set duration, how many minutes you want the water to stay on. I have it for 20 minutes. That's okay. It's set. This is the only one that will not show as set once you finish, because that's just how it is programmed. This is the days that you will pick for it to be on. Right now it's on every day because we just installed these plants. They need water daily. After a few weeks, 2 weeks, you get to just space it out every other day, and then you move accordingly. It could be every week or 3 times. You can choose it as you like. Monday, that means it's off. You see when it goes away? Now if you click it again, it's back on. So I have every day set up. You can go back and forth with Tuesday, Wednesday. Choose which one you want off. That'll go off. Want it back on, there, right? So once you have all the days that you want the water to be used, to be auto set, that you're happy with the selection, just move on to the next thing. That's off. That doesn't mean everything is erased. It's just the next setting. Then you go back to auto. Auto is where it should be on. It should be set so that way it can be automated. It'll show you how it's automated. Here it'll tell you the days, the time. First time it'll water it. The second time it'll water it for 20 minutes for these days. This is how you check. If it rains, you can click this button. If you know it's going to pour down, the plants don't need that much water. Then rainwater is even better. So you would just click the cancel to cancel for that day. Water now is if you want to check the system to see if it's working. You just click water now, and then it'll ask you how many minutes. Now we're not gonna go for it right now because it's gonna start it. And just press off. That way it don't start watering right now. Go back to auto. But if you wanted to turn on manually, this is manually right here. Water on. Pick how long you want it to be manually on, then you press OK. And it's okay. So that's it. That's the how-to video of setting up a Rainbird automated irrigation system here. Very simple and not too techy. It's just simple. Always use 2 batteries in the back, and then you'll be able to see how much battery life you have here. All right, that's it.